Hello guys, this is John from Chat 668.co and Chat 777.8.ca. If you guys are interested in those items, any question, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Wechat, or WhatsApp, and you can search our website to place your order. Also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will do more review here. And today I'm going to show you guys the new sample we got, the Air Jordan 1. Yeah, the new colorway. So first you can check the side. Check this part. Yeah, the Air Jordan. Another side. Okay, so now turn to the top box. Turn to the back. The button, the black button. So Air Jordan 1 new colorway from Chat 668.co and Chat 777.8.ca. If you guys are interested in those items, any question, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Wechat, or WhatsApp. And this is Jen. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.